Raure. Nanga kamenya mekwero nengoruta tonduri. No yakadago yone muthuriti ni ngofia. Agweci akenjeteria gakari. Aroye rating ya miaka yake. Nekaingehia itirio.
Nakoga kaingehia rugari.
Njigira kau hau mwari wa nie. Nekaingehia rugari na itirio. Nona kana merengetire ete when I'll tell you one day about them. Raymond.
Was very popular
and a very very classy. Raymond. I'll tell you about it some other time. Raure. Sanduku la posta.
Ithanduku ria bothita.
Acha rika ria station Gen Z ri. Matimenyaga kira gituma makihuria maundu morio PO box. They don't see the relevance of that.
Post office box.
Ayo ono ngithi handu taru Huduma Center ri. Ukore ri uthi Gen Z cia makihuria maundu ta passport and what have you ri. Uigua moya thimu. Sasa anko
Mzuri sana.
PO box yetu inakuanga
32 kahuro.
Ati
32 kahuro.
Ni kidogo hivyo. You see, there's a time they don't know. My password.
Na email.
Yes. There's a time. Mudu na idado kulia marua family niri. Every person in that family had the labor of memorizing it. Toti family nyingi wakoraga ati he mundu withandu kuria keria marua personal. Yes.
Hey, no, actually there are very few people.
Rarer than rare.
Ona family anyu eko kwi mundu wariri.
Yes.
Matingikira acio.
Ithuĩ taru gwitu ri. Na to gwitu ati kwa mwangi wa thuita. Bare ya muharire. Marua matumagwo macaku. Kwe my late auntie who was the senior resident magistrate there. Riri agoka na kiheri giake
kia marua. Agata ne utia kire agency ya maundu.
Ndagwira okaga ukagia mundu ukuro maya ni makwa daddy maya kwa bishop riu ana iro Jonathan Kabiru tora kwa nyina wa Kabiru maya ni makwa nyina wa Nguru tondu twandike yake
marua.
Yes, wandike ithanduku ria marua ria mundu uria we na ithanduku ria
who happened to be one.
Yes, it was Lady Justice Jennifer Thoita. Oh yes.
Riu na waria gutakire mundu family ino mari na ithanduku ri.
Yes.
You relied on the nearby primary school.
Yes. I understand actually hizo siku kublue tick mtu alikosa kurudisha barua. And you know, gutumirwo marua ma forthitari he andu mathire primary, majetie nursery, primary, secondary, makirikia matari matumirwo marua mena thitebu.
Very true.
Stamp.
Riu stamp ni manomokite the formal way.
Yes. Of course, postcard heria pure rogo.
Kuri andu nginya muthe matamiwe ni ndui.
Na ciari okuo meku.
Ciari okuo.
Postcard muno ciatumagwo ni andu aria matumite mundu wao mwena nja. Yes. Ekora postcard ina the London Wheel, the London Eye. Yes. Season's greetings. Yes. Marua ma stamp.
Thitebo niguo yetagwo.
Na metanagirwo kanitha kana thukuru. They had to be tethered to an institution.
Iria ina ithanduku ria bothita.
Na ti primary theko. You see, nigetha tume marua na postari. Taru we kwanyu Meorori. You had to walk.
No, Meoro, the nearest you would get postal services.
Yes.
Is Kereaine.
Ndio hiyo. I think from our side it was Kagema. Yes.
Kana ugithie county headquarter.
Yeah. Othie na biri. Ayo ndavie biri. Marua ngutuma. Yes. So at a young age, we high school, there were those students who were very popular. Ashuru ni omara influencer hedi
ama tukwasio.
Yes. Ati nwewa aniriru marua baredi.
Ugeterwo marua na ginya mwalimu ndeteirwo.
Na matinoka hadi delivery. Tondu he ofuthi arimu matangi arutire. And you know, they would make us feel so small. So don't call it what you are doing. Near muonagia even the content. Muone modo de mwende mwezi yatire inye kamure.
Whose sons are you?
Nyuma tidahu gaigi. Ma adigiro githugu ma gai.
Kaitaine.
Gai.
Namokire na poster.
Gai ndikiro ginya dedication ya sagi. No, man ha much hard to dedication. Yebo. Shaggy. Yes. My Hejo. Monica. R. Kelly. Yes. Mariah Khan. Always be my babe. Open with kisses. Mukoro mulucho. Tamwe mweyatumiro maro wa mau.
Matano.
Yes.
Those who are serious influencer.
Warioka ideale wakiri. Kana minister. You see, stamp was very prestigious.
The table ya poster.
Yes.
Ishoke hurwo muhuri tu kwa poster.
Yogia to miru wale na muhuri wa GPO.
No, iyo waigaga e souvenir.
General Post Office Nairobi.
No, that one you had to keep.
Kiama Tower. No, that was like receiving an honorary doctorate. It was as prestigious as Adogwa I got wara outire. Nia kwa gethie forthita. Na kirio kuma na kio oto roririkanaga nego shonithio thitabu.
Ya kuwa we sosi ya mata.
Yes. Otueke wow. Oshone hiru.
Mostiki ndi.
Na tio shona ninge na rutaru othe. Niwera wabe meria maria wina. Tio iteruta. Ni wabe meria.
Omotionere thitembo.
Ogomania tunini. Aya shona. Kwaje turokote tuigi ni kwiri mwe the Kenya Post and Telecommunication. Metagiria mundu stamp. Taruya juma. Last time I sent a letter. Mau make no 22 bob.
Ni ukire automata ne cia thaa iciratha kira na ku sabini
tene
na ne ugi depend urato maku.
No, I think it was the year 2000. No, 2002 at most.
23 years ago.
Gitumira uma ex mara datigite thukuru. Ni wakora le mwenye wewe tu stamp to koburi
twashiri gigiri
imwe
ni kwale ginya to bob
twa nyoni na kanyoni. Yes. Ore la yagoro ni gwa ya kanyoni exotic. Yes. Ugashona lo kanikiria lo lo oi wato rasho no tare bia. Yes.
Tokali muga kia company thoguo mugathi hare account ine.
Yes. Hiyo sasa ndio ilikuwa nikenda stage ya nyitere. Hiyo sasa ndio ilikuwa time yetu ya kulamba lolo. Wadi haya na thoguo ni ajiti ya kone gambio akaja date ya muhuri enda rusha pale ni wona githanduku kiura ikia ri tari ho Nairobi. You know, your imagination was so clouded, you would imagine they go through a pipe system.
Gijama kija Nairobi.
Neki uratha kawe ithanduku ria poster.
No na andu ari mundu atumirwo marua na bothita agithoma ri.
Yes. Kyo access away.
This success card.
This success card re munu akoraga aria we are from humble beginnings. Humble background ri. Ni wakuwa gotha ni tata wanyu wa mwena wa mamiguo. Ede yake ugatumirwo kadi na poster.
And you feel good.
You would even make you feel like you want to revise more. Wacha ke auto bira tene bere ya kigeranio.
Ukoro mionete bere ya kigeranio.
It would motivate you a lot. Yes.
Now of course ndago ituma karia kara hivi.
Hapana.
Kona mwanake na muiretu.
Kona mwanake na jeans hizo ni iracokire. Mom jeans. Icio cikucia kona kairete ko ni iracokire. Ciaro mene citacokete icio. Mundu mwai na materu hau. Ara konyua pirisira.
Acoke hingure shati githuri.
Yes, and nderu cia githuri. Metiranĩtie ũguo mendanĩte. I don't know how it was relating to examination success.
It should have been banned. That was not children content.
No, it was not. It was X-rated content. It was promoting carpooling. Tumairo kadi te moko na ni post. No kihigura waroga pio dugatarore stamp. Yes.
Ukahigura carefully.
Yeah. Vitabu hure muhuri.
Muhuri we na GPO Nairobi.
Kana tata guore okoro githimo gwa power. Ukona Kisumu post office.
Waigua wega muno.
Wega muno.
Iyo riu yari blue tick.
Yes, iyo ni blue.
That was blue tick.
Iyo riu ni gutumirwo na riri na mundu wahuthira bundles omuthi. Tick sender getagwo te kangi gatahuthagira bundle. Getagwo te stage getagwo sender.
Sender.
Gatahuthagira bundle. Riu aya gitwatumagirwo na sender. Tatagu akandike kuu gicagi akaneangira sisitoro muthoma nake atware staff room igwe no wathomwa
paredi
haria mbere and for some few seconds your heart would skip a beat wamukira ukarealize it's a very local
sender.
We had gone to the post office. You know, we are going regularly because of success card. So we have a few. Santana, Wairimu. Stacy, Wajiko, good grief. Oh, my. Oh.
Akiumira hare wamukire marua maku kana success card.
Yes. Wakora nginya mbacari ndiarĩ na nyamũ ya gũcil ĩcirĩtwo na mũtũndu
na wamĩrora wega especially yako nĩ ya rangi wa white rĩ
ũkona ĩna irore cia tĩri ũrĩa ũkoragwo ndũma-inĩ
nĩrona a lot of local activity,
a lot of local soil. You know, anything white cannot maintain that whiteness. Hizo tuiganagwo nĩ kĩ? Nĩ hard delivery. Yes.
Many of us.
Yes. Smoke signal. Kana mũndũ watũmagĩrwo marũa ma poster. Mandĩkĩtwo tu. Yes. P.O. Box. Mukwana ni makinya.
Kwaja mwanake watumeire muiretu mari ndugu me thukuru marũa na poster ri muiretu ucio he andu akaga
ni akwĩtũkagia muno ona kĩhiko-inĩ ni akũririkanaga. Ona mangĩte na mũrũme nĩ era kabaingia hikirio nĩ ũcio.
Because you had ku afford gutumira muiretu we thukuru marũa na poster ri
na we wa
bocho-inĩ ri you had to sacrifice a lot
money and time and energy. You walk all the way to the post office. Ucoke wandike ũguo othe coke ũro point ciaku cia gĩthũngũ nĩ cia kabanga. I tell you the good old days. Amwe ituri maundu mamwe twamona rita rĩa mbere twoka gũkũ Gĩcuka kana twagĩa na kanya ga kuma ndũnyũ-inĩ cia icagi-inĩ. Ko ici tũrĩ ndũnyũ cia icagi-inĩ ciarahũkire
Icagi riu titapene,
especially with technology and power. Actually gucia thina witu munene wale watu mai icagi cigonderere ki muthiro wa nambere ni infrastructure and power.
Thitima.
Yes.
Kuma thitima ya huja icagi na ginya mabarabara magithondekwo kundu kuingiri.
Yes.
Icagi ni ciana hukire.
Toro na tikundu kuingi uigua ate matatu ikinyaga hana. No etende waigua matatu ikinyaga hana. Ikagarũrũka. Yes.
Ta gwitu ciarengagira gacarage-ini.
Yes.
Ginya gacarage-ini riu mwateo hau ni nyawira Selina ri.
Yes.
Kou kungi witwarie meito ya kwanyu.
Gwitu ciakinya akarugia tiete kwari rami. Yakinya karugia igacoka.
Yes. Kanogio ni thabari.
Riu he maundu very basic tona me very basic umuthi. Na ginya icagi-ini mekuo. Ithuĩ we would have only imagined or it was unfathomable. Yes. As basic as maundu wetirio ugithi secondary warigagwo ni kiu. Yes. You see, most of us growing up in the rural areas, kindu gitagwo as basic as tissue paper,
TP,
tuona turi agima piu. TP. Actually nowadays na tone tutuicera nginya icagi cituri. Ndukoraga mimerere ya meragio hau right beside the toilet.
Sariwa.
People no longer use those rudimentary methods.
Andu ni adoptire maundu ma kiriu.
Yes. Ona the few and the opportunity ya ucerera matata ma buruburu na botera na satellite ni mwegagio muno ni tissue. And you know, Stacy might not know, tissue tena cia buru na green.
Yale cia color.
No one would buy that today.
Nobody.
No, the colored ones are pink. Period.
Period.
That is the fight goes. They have a pink coloration. Tena cia green. Na bururu. Yes. And I think there was only one brand yet called Toilex.
No, widely spread.
Yes. Na ndoige twakura na twauma rugongo tutari tuona. Yes. Actually, I do not remember a shop kuria gwitu yego githunguri ya stockaga TP. Todo, you will sell it to who? Yes. Well, got the Arabia, and that was considered a rich man's luxury.
You can do without.
Yes. What you want to matata mani mo kita kumani do fitini kuwi na handbag.
Aya nea.
Inyuere. Inyu mo da ira stationary.
Stationary.
You use the tabloids. A tabloid in a newspaper. And you know, it was not even a growing concern. No, because you it has the toiletry. Yes. There's tissue there. Well equipped. It was not a growing concern. When I needed gatheti yacura yo hau kamucumari-ini
icucangitwo
we ocagura ni aite mwire kwera ukeni
ocagura ni mwena wa politics.
Yes.
Mwena wa sports
kana obituary
kana crossword
kana uko kwa auction. You know, it is good to say these things. Generation hiyo nini makamenya kuria tumete. Yes. Actually, on a gatheti it was not a mass product within the home.
No.
It was a reserve of your father, your parents. In your age, you figure it out.
Familiarize yourself with the environment.
No, hygiene was not, I mean, it has since very much improved.
No, remarkably.
Remarkably well. In your age,
wewe zunguka huko.
Umeona kosito tiaguragirwo. Wewe hata wenda na huko msituni. TP. Amo ito TP wacio ni shopping yaku ya form 1.
wathie boarding
mwaheo list
indo iria batie kugurirwo
yes ukona wandikirwo toilet soap
ni twamba tukahingika twari toilet soap ri
mwifamily mamukorani athiriri kuri thamuni wa babu gwa fosa guthie mucio ucio ngimetirwo mathomia iria mwana ku meru ucio ni thabuni wa kwioga
o niguo retwo toilet
no ragitwo toilet ni ndo nigetha utukanio na kibande kibande ni kia nguo na theko ndungithie te kibande kio rahura nguo no kio weka
no kio rethamba nakio
you see at home soap was multi
purpose
yes
one bar of soap
it will wash your utensils and wash your father
na mkicheza ng'ombe ipite nayo
yes muone tu ng'ombe inatoa bubbles kwa mapua no some of us are from the struggle P.
Yeah, no, muna teacher ya mbere
yes.
Ni guthie thukuru wa boarding
yes only those you see worry the other family would be led to gaze in how
karigo haya
kiohe
na nikio guthithe ko wari horo munene
yes kiohe ni thamuni wa Rexona
ati
kai thamuni uko huo
te bunugere
teku kai uranunga marasi kai uandikitwo flamingo okay ti flamingo ni flamingo
uno waki
wa gwithamba
uyu
ngai kakwa thamuni uranunga methuguiti Actually, ona ciana imwe cianyu ri ciatumura kamwe na icune
ikarorerwo kidogo
yes no we were wowed by things we consider very basic today
nginya dawa ya magego
yes kwaja dawa ya magego na mwakinyana subi na mitarakwa ya Lebanon
ya utweka mutarakwa na huo kiumira bara
yes ukarigo kai station kone tisio gaye ukaiwa kimwe kianyu ati ndaciarete kwa tata Jerry Biafra you see thoguo ni igua aturetwo muno akurira rangi wa iratu uria munene
ndari
ukamanya nima kuhea the burden of we are passing the mantle
ukurirwo rangi wa iratu
we are investing on you for the future of
the family
yes
ukurirwo rangi wa iratu na thoguo ndari rangi wa iratu
na fura cigire yakwa kana gucainithi
to thukuru niguo irathana
yes na mukandikirwo hau body lotion Titi petroleum jelly lotion wewe kushia kagira modo body lotion yes ugetherwo kihoga tariritwa kana uko nate ni muru wa nyukwa mama agorirwo maithirini maria manene na titi mahutia ni mundu
make wiki
athie namo
you would gaze
teach you you would grow your own hand beside the toilet maigoya nakiria otherwise marema rogoro ko nyumeta gwatia
gituthu
ikeu
and you had to develop a skill ya kumatua
yes and you know most of us have spent the better part of our years softening papers we are tadiria GB tena ria riri umu no Pega da hodia geji
hodia geji iratavi
aba kariganeria rohi ugacho karo kanya When you hear go there sand paper to avoid the injury. We are from the scramble and partition of Africa.
The dark years.
And it was very okay. You would even find it very okay. Your father softening
the packaging of maize flour.
Yes. And books that were beyond revision. Primary. They would graduate into toiletries. Ya kule na noticia kusia home science.
GACC.
Ahora ingese ku kona mwana witu ni agwaga.
Akenda na 47.
Na ndi muthiri kaine fati tucokanĩrĩrie hamwe. Tuhe o andu OGW.
Mundu othe waereo. Kana tu exempto magoti mamwe.
To tiganithio twanyitĩire bũrũri. The gains made.
Na no turarengwo housing levy.
Mundu akora aigua wekero yako harĩ igũrũ wa nyũmba. Aigua mũndũ atheka. Nĩ kuona nĩ wanyitĩte zero art and craft.
Kamenya you are danda.
Ewa yana tondu atũmirwo secondary.
Eva kenda na 47.
Let me tell you minor. Hizi wachana sisi. Ukituona tukiringa tukipost Prado zetu and our small achievements, we are from the struggle. No, tisitone siare ligeta kwa blution bro.
That was one way of recycling used materials.
And no books were immune except religious books.
Buku kare kangi. Twagura exercise book ya guthie health center.
Kaihura ri na kuonekana mirimu iria warwarite ndirarikari. It would be relegated to toilet. Kwa viagia pia kio na record ya MOH. No, na vieti guku na mwene maratwatha. Politics of then and the now.
Siasa.
Yes.
Za nyakati zile.
Za wakati uliopita na za mambo kileo. Yes. You see, politics has really changed and shifted. And the civic education negative aka kero nikarehire maundu maingi muno.
Gatiba no ya 2010.
Yes. Such that to some good extent politicians are answerable to the electorate. Yes. Ono kondo gucokia muno ri hario haria turoraga. You see, there was a time and MPs ya mekua amwe no ko himatiui kwi hindi mubunge they used to do practically nothing. Practically nothing. Just sit in parliament and attend harambes.
Yes.
Yes.
And you are called Muheshimiwa.
Yes. Ajiremeta mujube. Member parliament. Yes. And you can tell todore. Ramon Maria CDF wekete. Those things had never been done.
By the kuma CDF yokari.
Yes.
Ona ne ashajiria scope ya MPs.
Yes. MP ni athia constituency yake agakwama kuthi kutaigire na ngari. And he would not give a hoot.
He will not care.
He doesn't care. Ati akora ciana cie maguru matheri. Akora ira thitare ndirisha. They did not care.
Not even a single moment.
MPs were functionally useless back then. No, it is true. Ask the elder people in society. Nimekora kwa MP mateka onaki.
Actually, batuko macio ri.
Yes.
Abuge, they were more loyal to the ruling party.
Yes.
Than even to the electorate.
Actually, the only thing you had to do back then was get the Kano ticket because there was no other ticket.
We bora we ni ukoro wi Kano.
Yes.
No ukoro na tigiti wa Kano.
Yes.
Na uine jogo.
Ukoro we raifu member na uge mutukufu
rais. Bas.
Nowadays, it is not easy to be an MP.
No, especially this side of
the mountain.
Sio rahisi.
It is not easy. Lazima ujikakamue kama wakina Dedi Nyoro.
Ni uruta wira.
Wakina Kihongi. Na wonwo. Yes.
Ni uruta wira na wonwo.
My MP teneri. They used to go get elected and come back to their business.
And they are comfortable.
Godhuru was a festival.
Festival ya thirari.
Yes.
We unarudi kwa mambo yako.
Exactly. Because convince me. Unatoka omwe na MP. Fara yakwa nyumero ndiagitera mi ever.
Ever.
Utiagete thitima ever. And you have had the MPs since independence.
Imagine.
Yes. We tokange mari. Rami to ameona way later. Thitima the same. And they were MP. The only thing that would come nego kana harabe na cia kimacho kama gathi nayo.
Mushoke mumurire ruhi.
And you see people were not informed. Matiamenya guo na mataririo. Yes. Ciana ihuthirwo kumuinera kumurutania. No bado. They would do nothing.
Ubuthiri.
Both gutwika MP ri. Ugiagwo rugongo wiki ithatu ri. Unless the electorate are told you are not well or you are away. On away MP ri. Maida maya turi ri. Ni magwithima muno mathaa maria urahe. The powers that be and the electorate. Yes. No what really. Ocio tura na president. Ocio matura na wa Munyoro.
No ginyo balance.
Yes. No, we know. No, Kona MP was like seeing a Greek god from Olympus.
No, actually, if you are nobody, you would not even be allowed in here close.
Well, I mean, they were demigods.
They were MP.
Well, who are you? No, kakoginya ne mwethe ginya gogo thina cio ciothe. No, MPs were demigods and demagogues.
Hey,
siasa ne cia define muno negative aka twina kore
muno na maundu ma cenjia muno, especially ru katiba gacenjia
uhoro wege NGCDF ndiari kuo. Hiyo pesa ilikuwa inaenda wapi?
Nani anajua?
Ilikuwa inakuruo
maundu megie basari.
Ndio mundu wale MP matuko mauri. Well, maybe they would lay claim to legislation. Because largely that is the only thing they would do. But legislate what? Let trickle down. And now the challenges were the same.
Same. Mashida kila mahali.
Omothe unyo gothie kiharu. One ihi ni arahuka. Ukira kundu kuna. Ni uthikagi maone ihi he maundu marekwo we. Itaramonete kundu kundu.
Itaramonete kundu kungi.
Then every place had the same challenges.
Mashida barabara, maji, stima na mashure. Come on.
You know, if you think about it, that was heavy. Miaka tuate business ya thirikari, heavy wastage.
Na miaka mingi muno yoreire ithi.
Yes.
Itari undu ungite substance wekirwo.
Yes. Makansura mahinde wira wao wari kurana na ite county hall. I mean, tariu kansura wakwa nyune kiamwikiire. Ya tene.
Agere ona ndresi ona ikia kura no. Tutiatauka go exactly ona muramuthura wa gwika atia.
Yes. Mwathura mundu riu ri aya ni maturutira moi. And if you are in a position to demand anything, there is even a common mwananchi on social media will say, sha.
No.
Mudosi ya menyo. Yes.
Natha rino twaga guthondekerwo.
Guku ndakanoke gwetia ke.
Kura.
Tondu ndakona. Back in the days they used to have. Na nikio tuona abicia ciao mehakite thiriga wa muthanga mubaga. Magiturira.
Ubuthi uko wi mubunge wakaja wa guthurwo na kura ri.
Yes.
Is heavy responsibility.
Tondu tha ici ri ask yourself, tha ici ni tu number plate ya mheshimiwa Kihungi hakuhe ngari ciake
ciothe
tondu cionaga kundu kuriku
kuria matura
the same na kwanyu kwa Didi and what have you tene ngari ya mheci ri twamenya ocia Thekias Kamotho Matifa
mameini riu
mameini yes Jojo the big ones General Kayafa but the MPs we do not know what they used to.
No, actually ni ungeikarire miaka over 5 years utari wona MP na maitho
kanoko na project ya MP
iriku
you know nothing. Yatere andu ara mutaruma kureire yego gwitu ri between 19 maybe 85 and 95 they never saw anything.
Nio nakura he miaka yoreire utari undu substance ungirugama ati ungiuga bekirwo.
And we are slowly now going turikiti horo ucio kahora utaru githiro no igi uko ya 27 ri I can bet you me gosi yako na wevu watu watangalia kazi
track record
na kama hujafanya kazi hautarudi
hata ukue kwa ile chama itakuwa popular
hata usikwe mabega na nani hata waulize mundu ni uyu
ni ukero hadharani tiwe
yes. I ten elections were just shambolic PR exercises. But you had to mathi wikia kura mundu mutakona actually after 5 years niguo amuona. Yes.
Na actually on a head campaign they never used to invest a lot.
No, they would just get a few elders. Mauya modo
ni oyo.
Di katare modoni. Yes. And they used those were the edges of two bokra. Yes.
Dakura wa fatara ukoro wiro oyo gwikano. Oyo ukoro uheo tigiti wa kano bas.
Na uge mse Moi. Ibaba rais Moi.
Bas.
Yes. I tell you.
Uyoria bendera.
Wega. Kwa siasa tha icio geria guthaka te MP. Utachagurio.
Actually ono ngithurwo ri. Iyo no kiuge ni ukuregenyuka ugi atiriri ndagithurwo ri. Ati ndikuruta wira. My friend. Iyo miaka 5 ni kuona rukungu.
And you know that was the age of the dynasties. Tondu wakora mundu akoretwe mubunge wako since independence. Akagia ginya entitlement neta gwa Kenya.
That you cannot do that.
Since independence and some people live to see nothing. Mona maendeleo thutha with the younger crop of legislators. Yes. I am not mentioning names, but some very big names in this country did nothing.
No, nothing.
Absolutely nothing for their areas.
They just worked for the ruling party, period.
Yes, they worked for the ruling party and looked big and powerful, period.